Welcome to our channel where we bring you the latest and greatest tech products. Today, we're comparing two popular mesh Wi-Fi systems, Google Wi-Fi and TP-Link Deco AXE5400. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have a larger home, TP-Link Deco AXE5400 is the way to go. It covers up to 7,200 square feet, compared to Google Wi-Fi's maximum 4,500 square feet coverage. Deco is perfect for larger households with more family members, or if you have a backyard or outdoor spaces you want to cover. The two systems have different technology implementations. TP-Link Deco AXE5400 has the latest Wi-Fi 6E technology, along with tri-band mesh, which ensures maximum speeds of up to 5,400 megabits per second. Meanwhile, Google uses Network Assist, which selects the fastest channel and band for your devices, but it's not as advanced as the AI-driven mesh technology on Deco. Google Wi-Fi has a much simpler setup process compared to TP-Link Deco AXE5400, which has more advanced features. However, you get more control with Deco's AI-driven mesh and its Deco app. On the other hand, Google Wi-Fi has an easy-to-use app that shows what devices are connected and lets you pause the Wi-Fi on specific devices, but it does not offer the advanced features of TP-Link Deco AXE5400. TP-Link Deco AXE5400 comes with TP-Link Home Shield Premium Security Services, which offers robust network and IoT protections from network scans to parental controls for $5.99 per month. Meanwhile, there are no premium security features included with Google Wi-Fi. Google Wi-Fi is much more affordable compared to TP-Link Deco AXE5400. Google Wi-Fi costs only $48, while TP-Link Deco AXE5400 costs $359. However, considering the more advanced technology, larger coverage, and more features, TP-Link Deco AXE5400 is more expensive but may be worth the price if you need those extra features. And that wraps up our comparison of Google Wi-Fi and TP-Link Deco AXE5400. Both are great products, but it depends on what you're looking for in a mesh Wi-Fi system. If you have a larger home or need extra features, TP-Link Deco AXE5400 may be the way to go. On the other hand, if you're on a budget and don't need all the added features, Google Wi-Fi is a fantastic option. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this.